Hello everyone, Jordan here with a part 2 on the Springfield Barndominium. A lot of you asked to see more about this kit, but before we do that, I'd like to show you our website, oakcabins.com, where you can go and see all our kits and get more information on the building process. Springfield Barndominium is 1,330 square feet, broken into two spaces. The main floor is 930 square feet and the loft is 300. This kit has a 1-bedroom and large full bathroom. Has a full kitchen that connects to the living room. It also has a utility/washroom where the pantry is located. The loft is left open to make customization easy. A frequently asked question is, what is included in this kit? And I have an image on screen that you can pause for. But you can expect header, girder, and ridge beams, large truss material, shiplap ceilings, as well as interior and exterior wall coverings, all of which are made of solid oak. Hopefully this helps clarify what you can expect from a kit like this, and be sure to check out our website, oakcabins.com. Thanks.